Yo, what's good, YouTube? This is Chrome here, back to make a video for you guys today. Today, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make TikToks and YouTube Shorts. Okay, I'm using a program called DaVinci Resolve. It is free, and I honestly really love it. It's very, very easy. Let's get right into it. Okay, first things first. You first download it or whatever. Once you get everything set up, like how it tell you step by step how to like just get it started. We first want to do, okay, we'll start at media right here. Okay, first thing you want to do is create your first project, which that there's like as soon as you get into the app. Okay, first thing you want to do is go over to file and then go all the way over down to project settings. Okay, then you would go right here. It says timeline resolution. Now it says 1920 by 1080. Well, first what you want to do is swap those. So it'll be 1080 by 1920. Okay, just like that. Save. Right click. It doesn't really matter. I do it right here where it says no clips in this media port or whatever. And then I would go down to import media right here. And it'll bring up all the clips and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab this one right here. Okay, and then you would go right here to change. Bam, there it is. Now what you want to do, you can cut it if you like. If you don't like it, if this clip is too long or whatnot, I mean obviously you can like cut it. But most of these so far that I have right now, they are already like good amount of length to where I want it. So then I'll go over to edit. Okay, this is where your main this is the main area where you're going to be at. Okay, obviously you're editing. Now you want to drag this all the way down right here. Okay, just like that. Now you want to click on this. Okay, click on the first clip. Then I would go over to zoom. I would zoom in just enough to where you pass the red on my overlay, so it looks like this. Okay. You can center it to wherever you would like, but this is what most people have, and yeah. And then you would go over to the I can't even pronounce that honestly. I'm not even trying to butcher it. Just drag it right on top of that clip and it blurs it out. Now you want to go back up to this clip right here and drag that one down right above that. Now you click on the second audio, the audio 2, you right click and go to delete selected. Okay, and then bam, you got this right here. Click on the second clip, the top one, and you'd zoom it in just enough to get out the face cam, which I just switched to OBS, so I can go a little bit further in, like so, just to make it look a little bit nicer and stuff like that. Okay, now that's already done. Now you can leave your clip just like this, but if you have a face cam or if you want to have the kill feed, then you could put the kill feed up here or the kill feed down here. If you're on TikTok, then you won't. I'm not sure about YouTube Shorts, but like sometimes the kill feed it'll be kind of hard to see with all the tags and the description stuff like that you have. But I use a face cam, so I have mine up here. I usually don't do the kill feed unless I hit something like really, really, really crazy. So what you would do if you want to add a face cam or a kill feed, you would drag this. Okay, this here could be a little confusing, but right there, bam, you get all 3 clips right here. You would click on this bottom sound 3, and then go over to delete selected. Then you would click on this top clip right here and go down to fusion. Now what you want to do is you can do this square to get to where you can box in the square right here, or you can just do the face. It honestly really doesn't matter. So let's just go down about right, let's say right here, just to see where we're at. Man, that looks pretty good. Alright, then you go back to edit. Now that's what you gotta do. Go over here, click on crop, and just make this just make it small. You don't have to get like right on the dot or whatever. It isn't gonna do anything crazy. And then you go back over here on that little arrow and click transform. Now you can just go here to zoom, make your face cam big as you want, and you can drag it and stick it all the way over there. Just like that. You do the same thing with the kill feed, but yeah. Now let's see what we got so far. Sometimes it looks a little laggy when editing. I don't know if that's my mistake or just the software itself, but
someone clip this.
yeah. But that's how you do it. And
Can someone clip that? Oh.
There you are. Now you go over to deliver. I mean, I'm not 100% sure about the color and the Fairlight and stuff like that, but I haven't really been into that. So yeah. Now I go to the Vimeo, Vimeo. Click on that. Title is whatever. I'll do TT73. Okay. And then I would go over to location. You can do it wherever you'd like. It doesn't matter. And then go over to resolution. Click on custom. And swap these two from to do 1080. Oop, that's 1090. Oopsie daisy. And then 1920. And then add to render queue and render all, and it should pop up in your thing and in your file, and you're good to go. You got a TikTok and or a YouTube short. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to look at my description and follow my Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok as well. We're active on all of them very, very much. So be sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button. I love you guys very much. Hope you guys have a really, really good day. Peace out, everyone.